Seriously guys, when it's enough? Today we're gonna dive into Dungeon Overkill, guys. So I will use some of the Dungeon Next components for create a beautiful, fragment piece of a dungeon. These pieces are amazing, guys, and I can't wait to show you guys how you can use these pieces for create beautiful and spatial environments for your dungeon crawling. First of all, we're gonna choose some of them because they are scrap pieces, guys. Yes, what you are seeing in this episode are actually scrap pieces from Dungeon Next. So you can imagine what is the real, the average of quality of this product is unbelievable, guys. It's a real pleasure to have them in my hands and to play with them. Without further ado, let's create some dungeon rooms. Crack on! Okay, so this is basically a bunch of Dungeon Next pieces, and I want to, create some corridors and a couple of rooms. These pieces are very, very beautiful. They are made stone by Massimiliano Musmeci, and he creates the molds and then he, cast them with plaster and stuff. They are very heavy, not so easy to store, of course, because these are very, very, important and massive pieces. They are very porous, so I think they will take the paint very well. So let's check it out. Look at these pieces, they are beautiful. I would like to have some of these corridors. I hope I have them in different colors. Let's check it out, what we have here, okay? Definitely I love this one. For the room, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna search for this stone. It's like gray. Okay, so very nice. It's the same of this one. Look, it's already perfect. Let's search. These are my pieces for HeroQuest. Not interesting in this moment. I'm gonna create like, a dungeon entrance. So this stairs is very nice, but force you to have something underneath. So other tiles. Let's see if we have something here. I think this should be great. Exactly. It's very massive, okay, very, very massive. So let's create some corridors and corners. Can put another door here, so it is beautifully complete. This is like amazing, guys. I'm having fun just composing the dungeon, guys. This is amazing. Now that we have chosen our pieces, we need to paint them. please take a look at this door. Okay, the level of details is unbelievable, and yeah, Dungeon Next is building basically every single piece as a unique piece. It's beautiful to see how passionate he is on doing this job. Look at that. Basically, he creates every single brick, the wood grain, the stuff. I'm using a goblin green for a top-down green effect to all the pieces now. How can I say? It's like there is humidity in the ambient, a lot of water and mushrooms and stuff like that. So I like this effect with the green. I can tell there is a lot of love and passion in these pieces, guys. It's unbelievable. It's beautiful to see how many effort it's present in this beautiful art. So it's fun. It's very fun. I'm having a lot of fun just just painting them. It's beautiful. It's amazing because it's like you understand the love that the guy put in this kind of work, and it's just amazing. It's just amazing. Now I can basically reproduce every single one of these pieces with foam, but at the end, when you have resin and heavy stuff in your hand, you can appreciate the feeling of something that is very thick, very heavy, that is very stable on the table, and it's just another feeling. I like it very much. Cons are that basically these pieces are quite fragile, so this is not resin, actually it's like a plaster, okay, like a dental plaster, something like that. I don't know exactly the kind of material, but if they fall down in the ground, yeah, you risk to break them. So this is the major cons. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you want to have access to a lot of contents, even these videos guys, without advertising, please consider to support me through Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support this channel and also to have access to a lot of extra content, okay? Please check it out. Till next time, happy crafting!